Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing how to access addiction treatment without insurance. It's a critical topic, and we're here to provide you with some valuable insights. The first step is to research treatment facilities in your area. Look for government-funded or nonprofit organizations that offer addiction treatment services. Many of these facilities offer sliding scale fees based on your income, making treatment more affordable. Another option is to connect with local support groups or community organizations. They can often provide guidance on low-cost or free treatment options in your area. Remember, you're not alone, and there are people willing to help. Consider telehealth services as well. Many online addiction treatment programs are available at a fraction of the cost of in-person treatment. They provide counseling and support from the comfort of your own home. Don't hesitate to inquire about financial assistance programs. Some treatment facilities offer scholarships or grants to individuals in need. These resources can significantly reduce the financial burden of seeking treatment. Lastly, explore government assistance programs such as Medicaid or state-funded addiction services. Depending on your income and circumstances, you may qualify for these programs, which can cover the cost of treatment. In conclusion, addiction treatment without insurance is possible. Start by researching local options, reaching out to support groups, considering telehealth services, seeking financial assistance, and exploring government programs. Remember, your health and well-being are worth the effort. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit from this information. Together, we can help those in need access the support they deserve. Until next time, take care.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.